recording.
No, you die.
This is Facebook style right here. Come on, chicken shit. Come on, get it done. Look at those eyes. She looks like she's scared. She's going offline real quick. She's scared. I would run.
Show.
Look at her, she's scared. We weren't even going to do anything, that's the funny thing. Funny.
Please. Your mom almost rode me over. It was funny. Because I was walking this way and she was going down the road. She honked so hard and I was like, I started running. You was in the vehicle and was laughing. Fuck off!
She had food in her mouth and she said, fuck off! Okay, this is going on Facebook.